Hello and welcome to another episode of Bonding Through Numbers. I'm Matthew Clifford, here to guide you through some innovative and delightful ways to blend mathematics with everyday activities for meaningful connections with your children. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, integrating math with gardening. It might seem unconventional, but gardening offers a treasure trove of opportunities to explore mathematical concepts while nurturing not just plants, but also relationships. Our discussion will cover various seasonal planting techniques that seamlessly incorporate math into your children's learning experience. By the end, you'll have a host of practical tips and ideas to weave into your after-dinner routines, bringing joy and learning into family time. Let's begin by discussing the concept of combining gardening and mathematics. You might ask, why gardening? Well, the garden is not just a place to cultivate plants. It's a living classroom, especially for young minds. Seasonal planting, for instance, involves understanding the cycles of nature. It's an exercise in planning and predicting outcomes, both of which are key areas of mathematical learning. By timing your planting activities with the seasons, you are already engaging in a form of dynamic problem solving. Each season brings different variables, just like different math problems require different approaches and solutions. Now let's talk about measuring distances and calculating quantities, which are core concepts in math. When planting, proper spacing is crucial for healthy growth. This is a perfect opportunity to teach your children about measurements. Have them measure the distance between seeds or plants using a ruler or tape measure and calculate how many seeds they can plant in a given area. This makes abstract concepts tangible. They see firsthand what an inch or a centimeter looks like in the context of their garden. Patterns in nature are another exciting aspect to explore with your children. As you plant, discuss the arrangement of leaves and flowers, drawing attention to symmetry and geometry. Show your kids how honeycombs and sunflowers, for instance, naturally exhibit the Fibonacci sequence, nature's way of organizing efficiently. This can be a springboard for discussing patterns and sequences in math, turning your garden into an intriguing puzzle waiting to be solved. Let's move on to simple algebra activities. Consider comparing the growth rates of different plants. This involves basic math calculations, measuring how much a plant grows over a set period, then comparing those numbers to understand growth trends. Such activities are not only excellent practical applications of basic algebra, but also instill an understanding of the scientific method, encouraging kids to hypothesize and analyze results. Keeping a gardening journal is another invaluable activity. Encourage your children to record measurements, sketch plant designs, and note observations. This reinforces math skills such as tracking changes over time, reading charts, or predicting future growth. It's also a wonderful way to engage kids of different ages and abilities. While one child measures and records data, another might focus on drawing or describing observations. To make these activities fun and engaging, it's important to tailor them to your children's interests and levels. Consider turning tasks into a game or challenge, like seeing who can plant seeds in the most precise pattern. Invite your children to share their thoughts and ask questions about the processes, which can foster critical thinking and dialogue. This opportunity for reflection and discussion not only enhances learning, but also deepens the bond between you and your children. As we wrap up today's episode, I want to emphasize the importance of incorporating these activities into your regular routines. After dinner, when everyone is relaxed, take that time to step into your garden and engage in these math-related activities. It's not just about learning, it's about experiencing something together, creating memories that intertwine fun with education. This shared journey helps fortify your relationships and cultivates a lifelong appreciation for both math and nature. Thank you for joining me on Bonding Through Numbers. I hope you found these ideas inspiring and practical as you seek to strengthen your bond with your kids through gardening and math. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but connection and curiosity. Until next time, keep those numbers thriving in your garden and in your hearts. Happy gardening.